we find. So go ahead and ask your COVID-19 question and then look for the answer on Fox 10 News. With the stay-at-home orders issued during this pandemic, law enforcement concerned about the possibility of a particular type of crime increasing, but there are ways victims can get help. Our Steve Alexander is in the studio now with more on that. So Steve, what type of crime are we talking about?
Well, it's domestic violence. Today, the Alabama District Attorneys Association joined with victim rights advocates as well as others. They wanted to bring awareness to National Crime Victims' Rights Week. Now, the week is usually marked with special activities, but because of the national health crisis, many community events have been canceled. Still, State Attorney General Steve Marshall said the pandemic does not mean that crime victims have nowhere to turn, especially victims of domestic violence. Domestic violence reports have increased in different cities.
There's nothing about the governor's stay-at-home order that would require a victim to stay in a situation in which violence is there. And so we want to make sure that victims understand that the resources available are still there. And one of the things that I've done over the past couple of weeks is to reach out to every one of our domestic violence shelters. Number one, just to encourage them, but also to make sure that they have what they need.
And if you are a victim or you know someone who is, you can reach out too. What you can do is call the Penelope House Crisis Hotline. That number is 251-342-8994. You can also reach out to the Lighthouse for help. That number is 251-947-6008. And the message is, there is always a safe place. Reporting live, Steve Alexander, Fox 10 News.